What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to be testing out the new GoPro I just bought. So all the previous videos, I was just using my phone, my iPhone, to shoot everything in the shop, at the track, all of that. Decided to invest in the new GoPro. So it's the latest one. It's new to me. I don't really know much about it. So I'll apologize now for any weird videos or sound or whatever it may be. So it's going to be a learning experience for both of us. We do have some work going on in the shop. We have to move around some cars and going to be doing some work finishing up the back end of the Mustang. So let's get that thing open, check it out, and we'll see what's going on in the shop. Here it is, new camera setup. Right now it's in like tripod mode. You can also close these down like that and hold it while you're recording. It's also got all the buttons here on the stick, so you ain't gotta touch the camera at all. It's got a light on it, got a microphone. So see how good a video this thing puts out.
Then what are you doing?
right, so we got the back of the Mustang here all put together. I think it turned out pretty nice. Also, still learning how to use this GoPro. I'd like to get rid of, it kind of looks like a bubble fish eye sort of look. I don't know if there's a way to change that. Anyone out there who uses a GoPro, if you guys know any tips or tricks, please leave them in the comments. You know, I'm learning. This is the first video I'm using on this thing. Anyways, the next step with the Mustang here, we got a painless wiring harness. We're gonna run that through the car. Then we're gonna move on to the pedals. We're gonna get the clutch linkage, all that stuff set up, and then move on to the brake system. So brake pedal, master cylinder, calipers, brake lines, all that will be next. As far as Farm Fresh goes, we should have the transmission back here in the next couple days, and then we should have the motor in the next couple weeks. So we will get both of those in the car, and then we can move on to the rear end and get that ladder bar set up all figured out. So as always, thanks for tuning in for another episode. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them down there in the comments and I will get to those. Also, I will post the Farm Fresh race schedule so you guys know where we're gonna be at this year. You know, feel free to come check out any of the events where we're going to be at. So thanks for sticking around for another episode. We'll see you guys next time.